It's a new day. I'm just taking a short checkup on cleaning off some of the welding and see if the oil system have dried up as it should. Trying to do that and see if it's dried up. Maybe I can put in a little underbody things here also. It looks like it dried up okay. Not 100%. I'm going to clean off a little from the weld there, so I have to change clothes. So I use my light as a place to take out electricity too. There, at least I've taken off the rust. There, I'm just going over and checking things. See the camera's getting dirty on him.